Sri Raghavendra Namaha. He is called as Mantralaya Mahan. His Jiva Samadhi is in Mantralayam. This God has done many miracles to many people. Regarding these informations, a person called Amman Satyanathan wrote a book called Raghavendra Mahimai. There are so many volumes he have released, and from third volume I am going to tell a miracle. It was year 1995. It's August month. Person called Kamaraj and his wife. They had a 6-year-old child. These three people they were so devoted to Sri Raghavendra Swami. Even the child also. Mrs. Vijaya had some health issues. She had some stomach pain. Usually she used to get it. Doctor has told that if a second child is born, her health issues will be alright. So they three went to Mantralayam for praying to God for second baby. They all returned back to Chennai, and whatever they prayed, that was successful, and she was 5 months pregnant. One day, in the 5th month, it was early in the morning, it was on Thursday, she got a dream. An old person came in a dream saying that you'll have normal delivery. It will be on Thursday morning. It will be on Thursday morning, 3:15 a.m. And nobody will be with you. Even doctors won't be there. I will be with you. And the child born will be a girl child. You have to keep my mom's name, Gopi Kambal. Good will happen to you. So this is the dream she got. When she got up, it was time 3:15, and she was so surprised by the dream. And it was the old person who came in orange dress. No other but it's Sri Raghavendra Swami. But still she had a doubt whether this is true incident or whether she had some hallucination or something, because she always devoted to Sri Raghavendra Swami. She planned to get admitted in her hospital 10 days before. It was 1996 June month. It was 5th of June month, and it was Wednesday. So as usual, Mrs. Vijaya Kamaraj went to her job, and she came and she washed the vessels, and she was making ready for the next day. After that, she was ready to go for bed, but in 9 o'clock it was. But suddenly she got stomach pain, severe stomach pain. She thought it was a usual stomach pain, and she took your usual medicines also. But the stomach pain did not vanish. Still, it didn't subside. She even called the doctor whether it's her pregnancy pain or normal stomach pain. The doctor suggested to take another medicine and said that it won't be pregnancy pain because still you have 3 more weeks. But the pain did not vanish still. So she called her mom what to do, and her mom sent her brothers and suggested her to get admitted in the hospital. So her brothers came and took her to the hospital, and she got admitted. When the doctor saw, he told that the pregnancy pain have started, but anyway the baby will be born only morning 6 o'clock. The nurse told doctor gave some medicines, and her elder brother went to receive her mom to bring to the hospital. Younger brother was with her. Her husband was there, and the 6-year child also was with her. She asked her younger brother to get a cup of coffee for her. He went even to take the medicines with that also. But it was so long, so that her husband also went to see what had happened, because he didn't return back. The child also went with him. So now nobody was there in the room except Mrs. Vijaya Kamaraj. But suddenly her pain was more and more. The pregnancy pain started and it was to the extreme. That is, she can't even bear. But nobody was there. Suddenly, she saw a lady worker, a janitor worker in that hospital, coming to the room. She called that person and told, please call somebody because I'm not able to bear the pain. I got the pregnancy pain. The lady told, no problem, I will help you because nobody is there now. I will do the pregnancy for you like that. And in 5 minutes, the baby was born and the time was 3:15 a.m. It was Thursday morning. Everything was got over. After that, everybody came and they got surprised that the baby was born. Even the doctor said it will happen only morning 6 o'clock, but it happened even the same time 3:15. What the person told in the dream, the same thing has happened. This is a miracle. The person who I have told in a dream is none other than Sri Raghavendra Swami. So this is a great miracle. Sri Raghavendra Swami himself went and did the pregnancy in the form of a lady. The same thing what Sri Raghavendra Swami told in the dream. Thursday morning, 3:15, and it was a girl baby born. Everything happened same like that. So there are many miracles happening due to this God. He's a great saint and everybody pray to him. Everything good will happen. Thank you. Sri Raghavendra Namaha. He's called as